It's time to talk about shoes, and we are gonna make some. Let's do this. You grab your pair of scissors, open up your DIY doll kit, pull out some felt, your shoe pattern, some thread, and some needles. You're gonna need to cut out 2 shoe patterns to make 1 shoe. So let's do it. Now we've got 4 pieces. You're gonna take one and stack it on top of the other, and then do it again. Now you have your 2 shoes. They're ready to be stitched. You're gonna do a blanket stitch from here to here, and from here to here. If you haven't done a blanket stitch before, be sure to go back and check out our basic stitching video because it's gonna show you how to do it. And once you start, you're literally gonna wanna make everything with the blanket stitch. Here we go. Be sure when you're stitching that you don't make them too big and that you keep them as even as possible. A little extra effort goes a long way when it comes to the results. 1 shoe's done. I seriously love this stitch. Did I say that already? I think I did, but it's worth saying again. Almost there. I'm gonna lock that stitch, and voila. So now you have a pair of shoes. Ooh, look who's dropped in. Gita's here to model our shoes. Here we go. Ooh, looking fabulous. Do you feel special? Yes, I do. I love my shoes, yeah. All right. Now that you've made the shoes, you definitely want to make the handbag. Check out Dumie's DIY doll kit clothing tutorials right over here. Or head to dumie.com for more inspiration.